Hey, today is my last day of military life. This is it. 8 years. Finished. I was gonna do 20, but plans came up, things changed. Yep, today is the last day. I'm gonna be turning in my card, and that'll be it. So, all I want to say is to all my friends that I met throughout my military career, I really appreciate all the things that you did for me, anything that anybody ever done for me. I appreciate all the good supervisors and the bad ones that you learned from. So just take note, and I learned a lot in the military about different things. The military is not bad. I just want to put out that it's just things changed in life, and better opportunities came for me, especially moving from the States to Japan, which was one for me moving there. But as I was saying, it's not a bad thing. I just had different plans, especially like I said, moving here to Japan. Different things come up. I'm a car guy, and I've got really good with my car community, and like I pretty much expanded myself from where I was before. I'm not saying I'm a professional or anything, but I've learned a lot to help me and keep me going throughout life. I met great people here in Japan, great friends. Also, you have life lessons that you live and you learn from experiencing with other people. So, just do your best at whatever you're doing. As I said, this is my last day here as a military member, but I don't take that for granted. I really appreciate everything that you guys done for me. There were some hard times, but being Air Force, it wasn't that hard of a time, but there's the little things that you have to deal with that you don't want to deal with all the time. But all my friends, all my military brothers and sisters, I really appreciate everything you've done, and keep rocking, keep pushing. If the military is for you, just keep doing it. It's not bad. I will keep doing. I was gonna do 20, but like I said, things came up here, and I feel like I got to a point to where I got to a place where I was satisfied where I am, and I kind of don't want to leave it. So I have my mom's visited, and they love it. My son comes every summer. He didn't come this summer because of the COVID crap, but hey, this is a place and I met my new wife, Nariko, and she helped me a lot with everything. She helped me teach me Japanese. Hey, Nihongo, skoshi but daijoubu desu. I learned more later. Moto. So. But yeah, I'm gonna get more on my Japanese and get everything going. But gotta go inside and finish my last appointment, and that'll be it. Peace. Thank you, and keep pushing, my guys. That's it, boys. Here we go. That is it. My card for.
Thank you.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Jeez. Thought it was gonna be more than that, but that's it. It's my last day of military. That's it. Bye. Damn, I thought it was gonna be like a longer process than that, but she was like, okay, thank you, bye. That's it. This is my last ride out. Going past this threshold, and I'm officially done. That's it. No more CAC'd card for military. Peace.